I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have more beauty products, makeup to unbox that I bought from Chanel. You already know where I get their products, right? For those who don't know yet, it's from Rustan's department store in Alabang. Anyway, these makeup items are a mix of classic that I love and some are new collections from Chanel. So if you're interested in beauty products, especially luxury makeup, this video is for you. I'm going to include everything in the description box, including the price of each as well. I'm MC, by the way, and I create videos about luxury, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. If this is your thing, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out on any of our exciting unboxing, hauls, reviews, and comparisons. Without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. This is the first product I got. It's the Le Beige Healthy Glow Sun Kiss Powder. The packaging is huge but very beautiful. It is presented in an oversized version of Chanel's iconic rounded square case. I love the palette. I got it in medium coral. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. There are 3 shades that can be worn individually or blended, and each color harmony consists of a warm bronze for a sun-kissed effect, a vibrant blush that brightens complexion, and a pearlescent highlighter with dazzling iridescence. They claim to deliver a healthy-looking glow that lasts for up to 8 hours, as if you just spent a day in the great outdoors. The powder is fine, silky, light to the touch, and blends in seamlessly for a natural sheer finish. You can also swipe on all 3 powders at once with a brush, dab onto the cheekbone, forehead, temples, nose, and chin as desired to bring luminosity to the face. Love this. Next product is an Ultimate Radiance Generating Serum Foundation, the Sublimage Resistance Détente. Sorry for the pronunciation. It is an exquisite liquid foundation with a serum-like texture that melts into the skin and instantly creates a smoother, more radiant-looking complexion. It is infused with Sublimage signature ingredient Vanilla Planifolia, along with infrared oil and light-reflecting mica. It moisturizes, comforts, and plumps the look of skin. This is in the shade BR22. It comes also with a brush for seamless, customizable coverage. Review says that it is a beautiful product, so I want to try and compare it with the Sublimage Latant, which I absolutely love. This one is lighter in shade than this. The shade range is completely different for both. I also oxidize when I wear this, so I got a lighter shade this time. I was surprised though that the Détente is more expensive than the Latant by $10. I thought this would be cheaper, or because maybe of the type of brush that the two come with. The Latant comes with a short brush with stiff bristles, which I hate and didn't use anymore after 1 or 2 application, while the Détente has a nicer, softer bristles in dome shape. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a comparison video of these 2 products as well. Next thing I have in here is the Balm Essential Multi-Use Glow Stick. It is a moisturizing, highlighting balm for face, eyes, and lips. The smooth, silky texture glides into the skin for subtle radiance. I love that it is designed with a twist-up case for ease on the go. The sheer hydrating formula delivers a fresh, dewy effect. Apply this to the areas of the face that naturally catch the light, like cheekbone, bridge of the nose, and cupid's bow. Blend with your fingertips. It can be used alone or over makeup where you desire to sculpt and add glow to your complexion. I love the packaging and color. I got it in the shade Lilas. It is such a nice highlighter, no shimmer or glitter, and of course, multi-use that leaves you with kind of wet look, glow with a big G. I got 3 of these Ombre Essential Multi-Use Eye Top Coats. I love that most beauty products now are multi-use and you don't need to buy a lot of different makeup for various functions. It's a space saver, easy to carry on trips, and you can save money too. Well, multi-use products may be more pricey, but at the end of the day, you get more benefits or advantages, right? So this is in the shade 220 Blanc Pearl Satin. It illuminates an eyeshadow with a sheer wash of pearlescence or make the eyes pop. It can be layered over top or another shade or used by itself for a natural looking satin sheen. Its formula, which is enriched with sage oil, offers the appeal of a new ultra soft creamy powder texture. The packaging is so beautiful with a wide mirror and 3 versatile applicators. The white foam applicator is for sweeping on eyeshadow. The synthetic bristle brush is for blending, while the tapered eyeliner brush is for adding structure and definition. I also love that this eye top coat is suitable for contact lens wearers. Though I don't use one, it means it's safe, right? You can apply this to various areas of the eyes to add light and radiance. You can also use it on the entire lid to impart subtle pearlescence and pink and peach shimmer. I like to apply this to the inner corner of the eyes, beneath the brow bone, or the center of the lid. The color will really brighten your eyes. The second is the Ombre Essential Multi-Use Long Wearing Eyeshadow in the shade 232 Lilas. It's a new formula in matte and from Chanel's 2024 summer collection. This can also be used in 3 different ways and worn on its own or layered, wet or dry. I love lilac. It's actually one of my favorite colors, very mesmerizing. I'd like this to cover my entire lid and use it as eyeliner at the bottom, closer to my inner corner, just a bit for a brightness. So in the same collection, this is another beautiful satin formula. It's the 236 Bruntal Paya. It's a stunning everyday shade and can be combined with many colors. It can be used as eyeliner across the entire eyelid, on the crease. It's really nice that this single eyeshadow comes in pouches as well. I'm so happy I got all 3 shades because I do believe they make a great combination. Love them. Next is a lipstick. This lipstick is called the Le Rouge Duo Ultra Tenue. It's an ultra-wear liquid lip color in the beautiful shade 40 Light Rose. It's an ultra-saturated liquid lipstick paired with a high shine gloss of full coverage, long-wearing color. These 2 formulas, the pigment and gloss, ensure intense color and staying power. It is infused with micropigments and innovative polymers. The base glides on smoothly and dries quickly without feathering. It claims that the glossy top coat delivers comfortable, exceptional shine and superb hydration. It's good to know that you can reapply top coat as needed. Like any other liquid lipsticks, this should be applied on clean or free makeup lips. Then allow a moment to dry before reapplying the top coat. Can't wait to try this on my lips. But this lip product, I like to apply a bit of lip balm first to prep my lips and avoid dryness. Let it sit for a while to absorb, then wipe the excess before applying the lipstick. The liquid lipstick I got has no matching lip liner, but I found one that I can pair it with. It's called the Le Crayon Lebres Longwear Lip Pencil in the shade 166 Rose VIF. It's a coral pink shade with a soft, creamy texture and semi-matte line. It lasts all day long when applied. The formula is non-drying. It has a built-in blending brush for precise application. After lining the lip, contour and filling in, use the built-in brush to blend out the color. Follow with lipstick for extended wear. I love this shade. I can definitely use it with my other pink lipsticks. I also got a brow product. It's called the Crayon Sourcils Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil. I love Chanel brow pencils and this one is one of my favorite products from the brand. It's in the shade 30 Brune Natural. It's a soft, smooth, textured brow pencil that applies easily, shapes and shades nicely, and stays put for a long-wearing definition. Love the grooming brush that comes with it, as well as the sharpener. I love using this to recreate my missing eyebrows. So this pencil works for me because it's not waxy and messy. This also is a great color and product for me. That's why I've been using it for years. Here comes an eyeliner. This one is called the Stylo Hue U Waterproof whatever. This is also a great eyeliner. It is resistant to water, humidity, and oil. It has a retractable tip, which I really prefer, and detachable sharpener that ensures precise application. The texture is soft and comfortable that glides on smoothly for an even line. If you want to intensify your look with this eyeliner, blend with your fingertips. One of the best eyeliners I've ever tried. I really love it. This is in the shade 20 Espresso. This shade looks beautiful and not too harsh compared to black eyeliners. I picked up 2 eyeliners and this is the other one. It's in the shade 38 Blue Metal. This color is amazing, so I want to try it. Blue is the black in any season, and more often than not, blue eyeliner pops the strongest on warmer skin tones like mine. But it can also look great on all skin tones, I believe. Next, the LeBlanc La Base Correcting and Perfecting Brightening Makeup Base SPF 40. It's a primer or makeup base to perfectly prepare skin for makeup. Its ceramic particles reflect the light to blur imperfections like fine lines, pores, and dryness. It has a lightweight adjustable formula that gives you a desired coverage. It creates a supple, smooth, and balanced complexion with pearly translucent finish. It has niacinamide that helps brighten, enhance radiance, and unifies skin tone. It's best for normal to combination skin or for use during the hot, humid months. I love that it offers super high protection against the damage of UV rays. It's also available in 2 shades, Orchid and Rosy. This one is in the shade Rosy. So this is the Longwear Concealer, the Le Correcteur de Chanel. I haven't tried this before, but according to the website, it's a comfortable, long-lasting concealer that covers imperfections with a buildable light to medium coverage. The lightweight, gel-based formula hydrates and features soft focus pigments that diffuse light for a flawless result. They say that it works beautifully and blends perfectly. I got it in the shade B20. I hope this concealer will also match the foundation I picked up. I was supposed to get a Sublimage concealer, but my shade is out of stock, so I got this instead. My SA said it's alright as they are both compatible. The last 2 items are freebies. It turns out that they ran out of freebies at the only Chanel Beauty store here, so they didn't provide any skincare product samples like they usually do. Instead, my SA gave me an extra brush, same as the one that came with the foundation I bought. I actually prefer this because I can use it when the first one gets dirty or for my other foundations. And this is the other free item. It's a Chanel VIP Parfum Chanel Charm without ribbon. It's very tiny and in silver tone. The charm type is dangle, limited edition, and really cute. Some people will DIY this to be a keychain, necklace, or bracelet. Maybe I'll just keep it as a souvenir or customize it as a collar for my dog. It's perfect since her name is also Chanel. I hope you've enjoyed watching. That wraps up our unboxing haul video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comments below and let me know what you are excited to see most. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!